Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Keranique brand, their Volumizing Hair Products Kit for thinning hair. Thickening shampoo and conditioner, you can see right here in the center. Follicle Booster Hair Serum on the left, and Volumizing Spray. It'll help improve the texture and boost and repair your hair. It uses something called Keratin Amino Acids, and this gets great customer reviews. So I did a little research on keratin amino acids. It's a vegetable alternative to animal keratin. It increases hair strength, enhances elasticity, helps protect hair from harsh salon practices or processes, making the hair more healthy and shiny, improves the comb ability of your hair. So basically you're going to pump up the volume of your hair by using these products. So you have the shampoo and conditioner, then you have this spray right here, which is the serum. After you wash your hair, just towel dry it and spray this on your scalp and massage it in, and then start hair drying your hair on low, then put this spray on there, lift and repair, and finish styling your hair. And it's really good product. Women really seem to like this, the way this works on their hair. In fact, 2 million women worldwide give this product a really good rating, and they really think that it helped thicken their hair out. So I'm going to be trying this, or my wife's going to be trying this, I should say, and she's got thin hair. We're going to do some before and after and see what she thinks about this product.
I've been using the Keranique products for about a week now, and I'm really pleased. I'm really noticing a big difference in the volume of my hair and the healthiness of my hair. It's shinier and fuller.
So would you give the Keranique Volumizing Hair Products Kit a full 5-star rating?
Oh, absolutely.
Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of the video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.